If you want to add internal links from articles that you're currently editing or writing, you simply scroll below the WordPress editor down to the Link Whisper suggested links. And here Link Whisper will have already suggested a number of other related articles. On the left, you'll see the sentences from the article that you're writing here. So these sentences are taken directly from the WordPress editor. And then you'll see the post that it's recommending you link to. And of course, it's already recommended anchor text as well. And so if you see some links that you like, you come in and just check the boxes next to the ones that you believe are a good fit. So we'll select those three, and you can scroll through and look at the rest and add the links down at the bottom. Or you can just click the Update Links button right here. And just like that, those links have been added to the article. They're already live on your site. I will also add that depending on the editor you're using, you may need to make sure to hit Update on the article as well. If you're using a classic editor, it will be adding links directly to the WordPress editor, and for that reason, you will need to click Update to save those links in the editor. If you're using a visual editor, they're automatically added to the live article without hitting that update.